In the ever-evolving world of electric bicycles, the Bzen Vienna e-bike stands out as a sleek and lightweight urban companion. Developed to encapsulate the spirit of Vienna, the Austrian capital renowned for its high quality of life, this e-bike reflects the perfect fusion of tradition and modernity. Bzen's Vienna e-bike, the fifth offering in their electric bicycle lineup, bridges the gap between conventional bicycles and full-fledged e-bikes. It strikes a harmonious balance, offering the power of a cargo e-bike, while retaining the compactness of a folding bike. With a weight of approximately 17 kilograms, it's a breeze to maneuver, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters. One of the standout features of the Bzen Vienna e-bike is its step-through frame appearance, which not only adds to its stylish appearance, but also enhances accessibility. Shorter riders, ranging from 4 feet 11 inches to 5 feet 9 inches, will find it easy to mount and ride comfortably. The e-bike is equipped with a robust Bafang rear hub integrated motor that delivers 250 watts of power and 45 Nm of torque. This powertrain can be complemented with either a 9-speed Shimano drivetrain or a Gates carbon drive belt, offering riders versatility in their choice. Comfort is paramount on the Bzen Vienna e-bike, and this is evident in the soft and accommodating saddle, perfect for longer journeys. The hydraulic disc brakes and puncture-resistant continental tires ensure reliable stopping power and durability for city streets. However, it's worth noting that this e-bike lacks suspension, making it better suited for smooth urban roads rather than off-road adventures. In terms of practicality, the Bzen Vienna doesn't disappoint. It features essential components such as front and rear lights, a bell, mud flips, and a convenient kickstand. The seat post and stem are adjustable, accommodating a range of rider dimensions. Additionally, a rear luggage rack is capable of carrying up to 27 kilograms of cargo, which is a significant advantage for those who need to transport groceries or other items. One of the most crucial aspects of an e-bike is its range, and the Bzen Vienna doesn't disappoint in this regard either. Equipped with a 252 Wh battery, it offers an impressive range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. This range is more than sufficient for most urban commutes, ensuring that riders can confidently use the e-bike for daily transportation needs, without the constant worry of recharging. The Bzen Vienna e-bike is making waves not only for its outstanding appearance and functionality, but also for its remarkable affordability. With a price tag of €3,199, which is approximately $3,380 in US currency, the Vienna e-bike offers an enticing package for electric bike enthusiasts. This competitive pricing puts it within reach of a broader range of riders, making it a standout option in the world of electric bicycles. The Bzen Vienna electric bicycle is a testament to the ever-growing popularity of e-bikes and their utility in urban environments. With its stylish appearance, practical features, and respectable range, it stands as a great choice for city dwellers who value both convenience and a touch of Viennese elegance in their daily commute. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or carrying a load of cargo, the Bzen Vienna is your reliable and stylish companion, inspired by the charm of Vienna itself. Thank you for watching this video. I also recommend going to our channel. There are many other interesting videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.